Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, I am going to solve exercise question from book Topics in Algebra from chapter 3 Ring Theory. Question is, if R is a ring with unit element 1 and phi is a homomorphism of ring R into an integral domain R dash such that kernel of the homomorphism phi is not equal to ring R, prove that phi 1 is the unit element of integral domain R dash. So proof, we have given that R is a ring with unit element 1 and map phi from ring R to R dash is a homomorphism such that kernel of this homomorphism phi is not equal to whole ring R. Now our claim is to show that phi 1 is the unit element of ring R dash. For this, let us consider 0 dash is the additive identity of ring R dash. Now we will show that phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. For this, let us suppose phi of 1 is equal to 0 dash. Then we have for all elements R in ring R, phi of R is equal to phi of R dot 1, which is equal to phi of R dot phi of 1, which is equal to phi of R dot 0 dash. Since phi of 1 is equal to 0 dash, we have considered this thing here. So we get phi of R is equal to 0 dash. So here we can see that for all elements R in ring R, phi of R is equal to 0 dash. So all elements R in ring R will be member of kernel phi and therefore kernel phi will be the whole ring R. But this is a contradiction to the given condition and thus we must have phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. Now note that phi of 1 is equal to phi of 1 dot 1, which is equal to phi of 1 dot phi of 1. We are going to call this expression as star and we are going to use this expression star in our further proof. Now to prove that phi of 1 is the multiplicative identity of ring R dash, that is, we want to show for all elements A in ring R dash, A dot phi of 1 is equal to phi of 1 dot A is equal to A. We will follow the method of contradiction. So we will assume here that there exists some element, say A in ring R dash, such that phi of A dot phi of 1 is not equal to A, which implies A dot phi of 1 minus A is not equal to 0 dash. Also we have proved that phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. Now since R dash is an integral domain, both this element A dot phi of 1 minus A and phi of 1 are non-zero. So we must have their product should be not equal to 0. But we get A dot phi of 1 minus A dot phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. Further solving this, we get A dot phi of 1 dot phi of 1 minus A dot phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. Now we have proved from star that phi of 1 dot phi of 1 is phi of 1. So we get A dot phi of 1 minus A dot phi of 1 is not equal to 0 dash. So we get here these terms will get cancelled and phi 0 dash is not equal to 0 dash. But this will be absurd. So there will not exist any A in R dash such that A dot phi of 1 is not equal to A, and thus A dot phi of 1 will be equal to A for all elements A in ring R dash. Similarly, we can show that phi of 1 dot A is equal to A for all elements A in ring R dash, and hence phi of 1 will be the unit element of ring R dash, and this proves our result.